The Mementos of the English Martyrs and Confessors for Every Day of the Year by Henry Sebastian Bowden. February 21st, a martyr poet. St. Robert Southwell, S.J., 1595. Of an old Norfolk family, he was stolen by a gypsy as an infant, but the theft was speedily discovered, and Southwell proved his gratitude to his rescuer by seeking out and converting the woman who detected the theft when he returned to England as a Jesuit priest in 1584. He labored on the mission with great success, in which his mastery of the English tongue stood him in good service. His poems, in their directness and force, their antithesis and tersiness, in beauty of conception and fidelity of expression, rank with those of the finest Elizabethan sonneters. His lyre, however, was tuned to no mere amorous stains, but to show how virtue and verse suit together. The divine beauty of Jesus and Mary, the operations of grace, the deformity of sin, the nature of contrition, contempt of the world, the brevity of life, all of these are told with the charm and a grace in verses now little, alas, known, and are set forth with equal power in his letters. He was shamefully betrayed by a woman, once his penitent, was 10 times tortured, and after 3 years' confinement in the tower in a filthy hole, was brought out, covered with vermin, at the age of 33, to receive his martyr's crown. February 21st, 1595.